To use Apple Pay on Expedia, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have a valid credit or debit card added to your Apple Wallet. First, open the Expedia app or website and begin booking your travel by selecting your destination, travel dates, and other preferences. Once you have chosen your flight, hotel, or other travel arrangements, proceed to the payment page. On the payment page, look for the Apple Pay option, which is usually denoted by the Apple Pay logo. Click on this option to initiate the Apple Pay payment process. You will be prompted to authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode, depending on your device settings. After authenticating, review the payment details to ensure everything is correct, including the amount and the card you are using. If all the information is accurate, confirm the payment to complete the transaction. It is essential to note that you may need to add a card to your Apple Wallet if you have not already done so. To add a card, open the Wallet app on your device. Tap the plus sign, and follow the prompts to add your card information. Using Apple Pay on Expedia offers a convenient and secure way to book your travel, as your actual card number is not shared with Expedia, reducing the risk of your information being compromised. Additionally, look out for any exclusive promotions or discounts that Expedia may offer for using Apple Pay, which can help you save even more on your travel bookings. In summary, using Apple Pay on Expedia is a straightforward process that requires you to have a compatible device, a valid card in your Apple Wallet, and to authenticate the transaction using your device's security features. By following these steps, you can enjoy a seamless and secure payment experience when booking your travel on Expedia.